Greetings, scholars. I want to take a few minutes just to talk to you about Unit 1. Unit 1, if you look on Blackboard in the folders, you're going to see Unit 1 Overview. You're going to see my discussion video. And let me just go back for a second because I want to show you each unit one at a time. So we're going to start with the Introduction to English 102, which is week 2. You're going to click on the video, on the folder. I'm sorry. Click on the folder for me. Look at what is in the folder. Look at what is in the folder. You have the Introduction to English 102. You have a discussion video, the overview. You have another discussion video over assessment skills. You have the content of the chapter, and you have the activity. So listen to me carefully. When you go through the folder, remember, click on the gray area. Click on the gray area and you will see everything that's in the folder. So I'm going to click on this introduction. The folder opens. You see the discussion video, the overview of weeks 1 and 2. Watch that for me. You have the overview unit. And if you click on it, the only thing that you're going to see are your learning objectives, the content, and activities. You can't do anything in this folder. You cannot do anything in this folder. It just outlines the learning objectives, the content, and the activities. So I'm going to click off this. I'm going to go back here. You have a discussion video. When you open it up, you see the video is going to be the assessment of skills that you're going to have to do for this unit. You're going to open up content. So be very careful again with content because I explained this in the overview, but I just want to do it again, just focusing on Unit 1. So once you click on content in Unit 1, you're going to see the discussion video for the syllabus review. You're going to see the syllabus. I placed the syllabus in multiple places in the unit because you need to see what's going on. You're going to do the review of common grammar rules. All of these are handouts. So I'm going to click on the syllabus for you just to give you an example. You're going to see the syllabus here. All you have to do is click onto asynchronous syllabus, and the syllabus should download here for you. This is how you're going to find the syllabus on Blackboard. Everything that you need should be here. I'm going to close out this tab, and then I'm going to go to go back here to the review of common grammar rules, and again, click onto it. The document is here. In order to see the document, remember, you have to click onto it, and then the document will open for you. One of the things I want you to be careful about, because you are going to be quizzed on the syllabus and you're going to be quizzed on grammar rules. Why are you being quizzed on the syllabus? You're being quizzed on the syllabus because you need to understand exactly what it is you are doing this semester. So I want you to read through the syllabus. I want you to go through the syllabus, and I'm looking at the syllabus and didn't download correctly. But look at this. Anything on the syllabus that you see that's highlighted is subject to be on the quiz, so make sure that you read the syllabus. I'm going to go into more detail about the syllabus and what you're going to do for the syllabus quiz in another video. But I need you to understand what it is we're going to be doing this semester. And the only way for me to make sure that you have read the syllabus and you know the terms and conditions by which you're going to be evaluated, graded this semester is to give you a quiz. Same thing with the review of common grammar rules. If you look at this, these are just basic grammar rules. How much do you already know about grammar? The parts of speech. Do you know the parts of speech? Do you know what they are? Can you give me a definition? You're going to be quizzed over all of this for the first 2 weeks of the class. Same thing with your diagnostic writing activity assignment. Click onto it. You see the assignment here. Okay, this is going to give me an idea of what you already know about writing papers. Okay, so I want to make sure that you understand what it is that's here, because this is just content. All of this is just content. And once you get to the activities, here are the things that you actually have to do. You can find the grammar assessment test here. You have a document here. You have the introduce yourself for the discussion post. You have the syllabus and the syllabus quiz, and you have the submission link for the diagnostic writing assignment. So one last thing. Why is it that you're doing all of this work within the first 2 weeks of class? Because this is an asynchronous class. An asynchronous class simply means that you are not going to ever meet me. This is why I have these, I have these videos of myself in the course. We will never meet each other. You are going to have to work through each of the units on your own, read, make sure that you watch the videos, and make sure that you understand the assignment. You have to do this within the first 2 weeks of class because I need to verify your attendance. I use these 3 items. In order for me to verify your attendance, you must have 3 grades listed in Blackboard. If I cannot verify your attendance, that means that your financial aid is hold up, your scholarships are hold up. Anything dealing with money at the university is held up until we can verify your attendance. So it is very important that you complete these activities within the first 2 weeks of class so that I can verify your attendance easily and so that we can move on. As always, if you have any questions about anything, you have my email address on the syllabus. Please do not hesitate to email me. I'm pretty quick about returning email. You should have received a response from me within a few minutes, at most an hour if I'm in class. So again, I look forward to working with you, to hearing from you. Good writing to you. Miss the button.